Hey, good day. Okay, so in this video, I don't want to talk too much regarding to myself. I just try to show everybody what I done for this assessment. Okay, so first of all, I try to download everything. This is the first one all-in-one pack from Ocean Base. Okay, then after that, I use WSL in the indicate in the Word document. So I just try to get it done. Then also I go log into the GitHub and check is it any related to the topic before I get it done. Okay. Um, okay, so all download all tools get done. I use OneNote to record down what I have done. Okay, so this one I'll check. Then now I try to unzip and extracting all the documents. So very quick, and I just get it done, extracting all the unzip. Now it's installing. Okay, so it's going to take a lot of time for the whole system. So now I'm trying to install the WSL. Then after installation, I just try to verify what's the version and it's working fine. Just make sure. Okay, so seems I'm okay for all the I can see everything at this moment. Okay. Okay, so installation WSL is working fine. Okay, so just check how to install the ODB. Okay, so basically I go log into the README document. I can see basically three commands I need to run. So first one I just try to install the Ocean the OBD. Okay, so just run the installation.sh. Okay, then I get everything installed. So after install, I need to zip all the document into the system. Yeah, unzip. Sorry, unzip. So now it's an installation. Okay, so now it's an installation and set up the environment. Okay, then we try to start the OBD demo. Actually, when I'm doing this part, okay, actually I have system issues and I raised a few questions in the GitHub. Okay, then also I try to log in to the Mandarin version BBS. Also raise about 3 or 4 questions until I try to set it up. Okay, so basically the first issue is when I run the Grafana. Okay, this is the first time I use these tools. Then I'm having problem when I run this one, Grafana. Yeah. So I raise the first my raise my first question. Then I get answer from Chinese BBS. Okay. After I install successfully. Oh, here is an arrow when you are going to. I think you are going to see very soon. It's taking some time. Yeah, actually, in first time I didn't realize there is a one issues when I run ODB demo. Okay, so here is just verify installation. I run the ODB demo. Is actually it's not working, so that's why I raise the questions. Then after that, I try to run the ODB web. The ODB web, yes, is successfully deployed. Yeah, now I'm trying. Now it's showing you how to run the ODB web. After a run, I log into the yeah IE Explorer. I just have 127.0.1.1, then 8681. Then I can see the deployment phase. I mean the deployment interface here, but I didn't do any deployment at this moment. Okay, just get it done. Okay, so I can see how to, it's one because it's not in the scope, so I didn't spend the time to do that. Okay, so after this, actually I'm trying to install a dbeaver, okay, because this is also a tool request in the document, in the Word documents. Okay, so I just download and then install. Okay, successfully. This is also first time I use this dbeaver. Previous my previous experience, we are using the uh, Toad, right? Okay, Toad. Then also my PHP admin or PHP my admin, something like this. Yeah. So also installation successfully. Okay. So after this one, actually I'm trying to connect using the dbeaver connect to the uh, ODB, I mean a database, but unfortunately I cannot really connect. Then this is also I try to install the ocean base in my AWS account. Okay, so that's why I log into AWS. I set up successfully. I set it up. Okay, then I try to connect. Same thing. I try to use a dbeaver to connect to my AWS. It doesn't work. Okay, it seems it's a driver's issues. Okay. Setup done. So dbeaver, but still cannot connect. Yeah. Okay, so now since I cannot really connect to the ocean base, I cannot use the ocean base to do all the demo. But today is the last day actually. I have to run the script, how to create a database, how to, run the queries, how to run a select, how to update and delete. Still have to show in this video. So what I'm trying to do is I just select the MySQL using the AWS because currently I cannot reinstall my laptop. This is the only laptop I have for now, so that's why I have no choice. I just run it in the MySQL. Okay, Marina, I think it's under MariaDB. Okay, I just try to run a query. I'm trying to show I know how to run, how to create, how to use a script to create a database and how to run a query, how to do the delete and update. Yeah, so this is what I'm trying to show. The interface, the SQL interface is still a dbeaver. Okay, this is by the way, this is my first time to use it. Yeah, so this is a create database successfully. Okay, now I try to insert a data record. Okay, because just now I just try to run, create a frame or database frame. Then now I try to just insert a record. So this is just I already write the record so that I just copy and paste. I just change the ID and I just insert into the database, which is also successfully. I insert two record one and record two. Okay, then now is just select everything in the database. Okay, then you can see it will you will see. Yeah. Yeah, tool record insert successfully. Okay, now based on this tool record, I just try to next I try to do the update. Oh, I just try to query the company. Yeah. Okay, I just try to do the selection query. This is a simple one. Yeah. The next one is I'm going to show is how to do the update the database. It's a quite also quite a standard one. Yeah. Okay, so after update, I just to do the query and show what is updated. Yeah, I just change the company name from FTDI to ANT. Yeah, so it's successfully. Yeah, see, it's successfully. Okay, next one, I just try to show the delete. Okay, how to run a delete statement. Okay, so basically I'm trying to show what we have now in the database. Then there is a there are two lines currently showing in the uh, table. Okay, so now I'm trying to delete one. Okay, using the command. Just delete the second line. So successfully running. Then now you are going to see select all. Now it's going to be show one item, one line. Okay, see now it's showing. Okay, very well. So until now, we do have during this amazing experience, during this appearance, during this good experience, I try to raise I think at least 4 or 5 tickets in the GitHub, and also try to try to make a lot of noise to the China team. I raise in the BBS a lot of team. I mean the team member try to reply to all my questions. Yeah. Okay, but unfortunately, uh, it's a lot of issues happen during the installation. Okay. Uh, but anyway, so this is what I have for now for the demo, the system. Okay, so lastly, actually, I want to talk about the questions in the Word document assessment. So basically, I can see the ocean base actually is a cluster type of database. So from what I see, each server group, or you can call we can group all the different server in the zone 1, zone 2, and then zone 3. So basically, this 3 zone can back up each other. So under each zone 1, zone 2, or zone 3, okay, we can have a separate, totally isolated tenants. Okay, you can have a database operation in different zone, okay, under separated. So this is what I'm trying to say. So uh, then is from the current database structure, what I can see is a very good kind of database structure, so that we can, I mean, it's a very is also a common practice for the current MNC company. Okay, it's a good BCP, business continuity plan, and also disaster recovery plan. So I think it's a pretty good structure. Okay. Yeah, so this is what I understanding. I think it's a time is about 15 minutes. Okay. So I really hopefully I can have a chance to deep dive this the ocean base. Still have a lot of questions and learnings to be done. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. That's all.